Hello there, this is the video for the second experiment of compiler lab. So in this experiment I'm going to explain about symbol table generation. So this is the input, sample input and output that we have to get in this experiment. So as you can see here, int a comma b equal to 5, char c equal to d, and it's a function called add having two parameters, double x and double y. So this we have to convert into a table like this, and we have to separate all the identifiers, data type, return type, initials and type of parameters. So let us see the program. So this is the program which I have made using Python. So in this, tokens is a array having having all the content of the file. IDS is also an array. So keyword array is having all the keywords like in string, character, float, double. Likewise, operators and punctuation arrays also having their own respective things. So token.txt is the file in which I'm having the block of a program. So as you can see here, so int a equal to 10 semicolon double add double x comma double y. So this is the block of the program which I'm having in the file token.txt. So now back to the program. So as you can see here, I'm opening the file and I'm reading all the lines, and I'm putting all the content of the file in A. So this is the for loop to split all the content, all the keywords and all the separate words in the file, and I'm storing it in tokens array. So now I'm printing the table. So using the for loop as well as enumerate keyword, I'm checking whether the keyword like the word which is present, the current word is keyword or not. If it is keyword, I am appending that word into the array IDS. And if there are more keywords like int a, comma b, comma c, if there are many keywords, and if I'm checking there is comma or not, then also I'm printing the keyword as well as that is the identifier and the data type in the position, respective position. So now I'm checking for any parameters. So this is for the parameters. So for this I'm checking the opening and closing parenthesis. Para is the array which is having all the content inside the parameters. That is the how many parameters are there. All the parameters will be stored in the array para. Now kc is the keyword count and pt is another array. So I am checking whether for the data types of the parameters, if there is some data type, kc will be incremented, and I'm counting the number of data type with using the count function. And if it's more if there is any keyword or data type present inside the parameter, I'm appending all the data type into the all the keys, that is all the identifiers, all the parameters into the array pt, and I'm incrementing I. So all the parameters inside the bracket uh, will be appended to the array pt. So now after this I'm printing out the identifier, data type, value, number of arguments and type of arguments in the respective places. And if opening parenthesis comes in pose -1, it will continue, otherwise I'm printing the respective data inside the table. So let us see whether it's working or not. So yes, as you can see here, the code is working fine. Identifier column is having a, add, x and y. So these are the identifiers. The data type of a is int, so in the data type column a is having int and the value is 10. There is no return type and number of arguments, so it is empty. For add, it has return type double, it has number of arguments 2 and the type of arguments are double and double. Now for x, it's the data type is double, so inside the parameters it's separate, it's printing separate parameters. So x is having double and the value is null, y is also double. So in this way you can generate symbol table using this code. Thank you for watching my video.